Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Before diving in, just a quick disclaimer that every single information I'm gonna share with you in this video is based on my own research and personal experiences. So this is not a sponsored content, so I will try to give you an honest review and an unbiased take. So let's get straight into it. So in today's video, we're gonna do a quick and in-depth review of Linelle Berberine Cinnamon Regular Drops. So this product has got really popular all over the social media and a lot of people are talking about it. So today we're gonna do an in-depth review and find out if it actually worth trying it out. As you can see, it will help you balance your veggie levels and controls the frequent cravings. So this product is really good and it comes with different kind of flavors as per your own choice. So it will provide you with a blood sugar support. The berberine plus cinnamon blend will help you to avoid sensitivity and support weight management. So once I tried searching for this product on Amazon, I got to know it is also available on Amazon. This is a major green signal. Why? Because being available on Amazon means this product has passed through a variety of safety checks, and it also has a pretty decent rating, which is 4 out of 5 stars, and it's based on 590 reviews. So this is a really good signal about this product. And once I tried searching for their formula, I got to know like this formula, the people have a mixed opinions on this. If you find it positive, and if you also find it leading to potential confusion, because a lot of similar products are available on Amazon. So the thing is, but their clinical evidence of the benefiting of combining the berberine and cinnamon, these are the two major ingredients they're including. So there are the clinical benefits of using this. So in conclusion, I would say, like, based on the information about their domain name that is also registered 3 months ago, I would say like this product is pretty much authentic and you should try it out, because based on the information and the ratings of so many people, I would say it might worth it. So in conclusion, I would say you can try it out, because and you should not buy in bulk, just try one. If it suits you, then you can go for further. So I hope this review was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching the video and hope to see you in the next one. Goodbye.